Belly.
Spirit with Mama, the life giver,
Look how she
paying a
said.
little homage. So sweet. Princess, you feeling a little bit better? Good. I see Spirit missed you. Her
You
feathers are
turned out to be the toughest one.
yeah, her feathers are
Oh,
coming
the
back.
toughest
Her
one.
feathers coming back because Champion, when they were in the house with us, Champion had this pecking
Disorder.
disorder. I don't know if it's a disorder
It was like
or
a
if it's,
Parkinson's thing.
yeah, she would peck all the feathers off of
They
Spirit.
had to save him from themselves, pecking
They
all
had-
the fabrics.
But
And I would wake up and find them literally dying and choking.
they're so good. They are better than dogs. Like I said in the past video, they are not one way. You love them, they love you. You give them food, they give you food. Dogs are 1.5
But
ways.
look how she's sitting on me.
You know, you love them, they love you. You give them food, they give you shit. You gotta clean it up. This one,
And this one's not pooping on me. She knows me. And that's just a chicken. So if you have anyone in your life that's giving you hell, go grab this chicken. There's a lot to learn from them.
that's beautiful, Princess. Please like, subscribe, and share.
Smash that like button.
Smash that like button if you like watching our little chickens. Like I said, we're not informative. We're learning ourselves. But we're just sharing our beautiful experiences with
Look.
these beautiful birds.
She's proud of you guys.
Yeah.
Look.
Everyone says chickens are dumb. We love them. They are
This is
some of the
Spirit.
smartest
Oh,
pets,
so gentle.
some of the most gentlest and useful. I mean,
And they don't have a
garbage
soul,
disposal.
but they manage to care and show affection. So everyone, please,
So that means they do have a soul.
to us, to your home,
So that means most religions are wrong. But they're right in their own right.
all opinions are right, but in
All
our
opinions
lives,
are right in our lives.
we want to share this experience with you.
They are grateful. These birds are grateful. This bird was saved by my wife's life, and there they are together. Absolutely in harmony.
So you're a witness too. Watch this.
And we are all witnesses.
And Bentley is creating it that he's sick because he needs attention.
Sure.
So love one another. Because this is just a chicken, and look how much love I receive.
Thank you, YouTube.
YouTube, thank you.
Bentley even had to get in on that one.
A cameo appearance.
A little cameo. Yes.
He is the most beautiful dog, isn't he?
He's gorgeous with his heart on his head.
Little white.
No,
on
he's
his
camera
head, the
shy.
There's no other.
Thank
We
you
are
all
all
again.
unique, you guys.
Thank you all again. Enjoy.
A hug from here
Enjoy.
to you guys.
Enjoy, everyone.